Yeah, hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. Out in sunny Whistable today. Wanted to show you this project we completed a few months ago now, but just haven't had time to come back. I wanted to show you around this lovely office and man cave, also every now and then used for teaching sewing and textiles. I'm standing at the back of the property in the back garden. This is the house, and this was a little area that was mainly a flower bed, which we've recovered and moved the fencing back. Let me show you around. This is our Kite, so it's part of our contemporary range. Works perfectly. This is a 5 metre, and by coincidence you can see the windows and the door glass are absolutely identical, perfectly in line top and bottom, which we're renowned for having in the Kite. Really perfect clean lines. In the Chalky Blue saddling super deck, lovely colour, first one we've done in that, and I really like it, and I'm sure we will do more again. We've done a little deck out the front there, which you can see. It's about 6 metres of decking. We've taken it to the edge there, which is to the path and would lead out to where the customer comes in. Like I say, used as an office along with other things. I'll show you the inside in a minute, but a couple of things on the outside. V-groove tricoya as the cladding, that lovely V-groove that we're well known for again. On this side, because it's next to a boundary, this is the neighbours, this is a firewall, so this is a non-combustible material. You can see it's painted again in Chalky Blue, perfect colour match, but it's a plain material, it's a cement board and conforms to the 30-minute fire rule. We also see there, for different reasons inside, we've not dropped the glass to the ground on the sides. So let me take you around the other side. So yeah, this was recovered ground. We put a brand new fencing in. If I can go around the back here, brand new fencing further back there. Got a bit of an area here the customer's going to use as a vegetable patch. We've also run the air conditioning. Because this is the front of the house just over here, we've also done tricoya on the back of the building so it doesn't look too industrial with the firewall. So a nice touch. With the slot windows, works really well, and we've even covered in and boxed up all of the pipe work for the climate control. That's not normally needed, but because this is all seen from the front of the property, it was a nice touch. So let's just take you inside. Right, off with the stones. Wander in. So it's a 5 metre wide, as I said, by 4 metres deep. A really nice sized room. That's the inside part of the air conditioning that you've seen. In the V-groove 200, I think we finished this in an Angora finish. Customer added these lovely blinds. They're a non-strung blind, so they're just a weighted blind. You can just pull down. A blackout blind, so works really well. It's a nice addition to the lowy glass that's also on this building. Along with that, some of the little touches that we've done in this particular one. Behind this TV, we've got a HDMI lead that we've then brought through the ceiling and actually brought out right over here, down on the ground there. You see that's the HDMI socket there, along with the internet and the Wi-Fi bubble from Baker's, which we do as part of our communications package, so that then he can link the computer there to the TV on the other side of the room. Conference calls and things like that works really well for. They've installed an alarm that's part of their house alarm, so it's all set up. It also gets used here, as you can see, for teaching. So that area is clear because they have ironing up and things like that for textiles teaching. Got a regular heater which is just on as background heat in the winter, with the climate control using doing the bulk of the heating and cooling, because it does that so efficiently. We've done the silver oak floor, lovely. You can just see, actually, probably just pick up in the shadow there, the nice little blue stroke green V's in there. Works perfectly with the Chalky Blue outside. Yeah, so there we go, electrics and communications all installed. Let me just pan back and show you that again. So yeah, I think that's a really lovely project. Along with the regular lighting, we've also got decking lights. If I can just pan through there, if I put a shadow on there you go, you can see they're on at the moment. Those decking lights are linked with the dusk sensor and the outside canopy lights. Again, a really nice touch, so every evening that all lights up. Yeah, I think that's about all I can tell you on this one. So a 5 metre by 4 metre Kite contemporary from Baker's Timber Buildings, under the 2.5 planning rule, in the Chalky Blue, looking absolutely beautiful in the sunshine today. If this garden room or garden office or any kind of garden building is of interest to you, feel free to give me a call on 01444 247 192.